Oh man, bummer. Okay, we're getting some big hail here, and I just hope it doesn't. I got a cracked windshield in my car already. But we got some big balls here coming down. Yeah, we do. Oh man, holy moly.
Can I cover my mouth?
Oh wow, that's kind of cool. Look at them dancing. Got balls dancing on the lawn. Of course, again, this is impromptu, so don't have that pod. Well, I'm really seeing them dancing from here on the lawn. Let's see if I can steady up here. Hopefully we'll be able to see this in the video. Oh, I can kind of see on the screen there. Yeah, look at that. They're dancing. Like balls of ice. Dancing on the lawn. Central Oregon hailstorm. And you know, they were talking, well, it's like about 80 degrees out here right now, so I didn't think the upper atmosphere was going to be that cold. But man, it's some big hail, but I guess it's not that hard. It's kind of soft. I think it's kind of melting as it comes down. There it is.